Hello guys, you smartphone ZTE Blade A51. This version 2GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, completation adapter for charging, key for SIM slot, and we have Type-C cable. Okay, device in the blue color, on the back side double camera fingerprint scanner, on the front side display 6.5 inch power key warm keys, this slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, and Type-C cable. Okay, resolution, HD resolution, IPS display, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU by Unisoc, octa-core processor 4+4, 1.2 and 1.6 GHz, and GPU Power VR, resolution display prepay. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, and look into the benchmark results. Run the money game GTA San Andreas, look how this game works on the device. Game doesn't work okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.